Now that your device is registered and users have been added, you have access to the dashboard screen. The Watts OnSite dashboard provides a real-time readout of your boiler system information, organized in the same groups as the control display. Simply swipe left or right to navigate as you would on the controller screen. The system input screen allows you to see if a heating call is present, your boiler targets, and your sensor input readings. The system output screen displays all of the outputs for your pumps, boilers, and combustion air damper. It also provides a readout on the override status, so if someone triggered a manual override on the controller, you can see that remotely. Watts OnSite also allows you to see your real-time boiler information, including the firing rate to the boiler, the running time, the number of cycles, and the time that the pump is on. Traveling to your property to adjust the boiler system is a thing of the past with Watts OnSite. The settings menu allows you to view and adjust all configurable settings on the smart boiler control. From the app, you can set up your central heating, domestic hot water, and set points. You can also set up your boiler and system settings. Additionally, the tekmar tech support team can view all settings on your 294 during support calls. While our support team cannot adjust your settings remotely, they can offer their expert insights to provide guidance on how to correct an issue or improve operation. Watts OnSite also includes a programmable schedule for the controller. The schedule allows your site to reduce fuel consumption when the building is unoccupied by entering your property's typical hours of operation. The 294 supports both temperature and pressure alerts via notifications from the Watts OnSite app. Using these alerts, you can detect temperature and pressure issues before and as they're happening to ensure a rapid response and resolution. You can avoid high-limit lockouts by setting alerts to trigger at a certain boiler temperature. Similarly, if there's an issue with the heating system, you can send alerts based on a low temperature set point. Controllers with the optional pressure sensor 088 installed can measure system pressure and send alerts based on low and high pressure set points. Additionally, the Watts OnSite app keeps you on top of maintenance. The 294 tracks boiler runtime and cycle count, allowing for alerts based on your set points. For example, if your boiler runs for 8,000 hours, approximately 1 year of operation, it can send out an alert that it's time for your boiler to be serviced. Watts OnSite provides alerts via email, SMS text message, and push notifications to keep you immediately informed of pressure and temperature alerts. The system allows users to customize their settings to receive notifications based on high-limit lockout, low boiler temperature. The notifications list records alerts and errors reported by the system, storing the last 30 notifications together with the date and time. By clicking on the notification, you can receive a detailed explanation of how to resolve the error or alert. The Watts OnSite app allows users to acknowledge notifications from anywhere, advising other users that corrective action to clear the error is planned. The app records the name, time, and date when the notification was acknowledged. You now know everything you need to know on how to manage your Smart Boiler Control 294 from the palm of your hand with the Watts OnSite app. Enjoy all the control of being on site, even when you're not, with remote monitoring and control for your 294.